Primetime news this evening. Mother of child swept away by flood waters breaks silence. Emergency crews in Westmoreland under fire following deadly crash. And a businessman abducted.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, the multi-million-dollar industrial and technology park has been launched in Spanish Town. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
And Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in sports, and I can guess what he'll be previewing. Spencer.
Yes, thank you, Gio. Well, the Jamaican government has broken its silence on the switch of allegiance by some Jamaican athletes. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Drama in sports. Thank you, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the turmoil in the Middle East?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.